So I just got the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, and we're going to take a look at it. As you may know, Amazon already has a 4K HDR streaming unit, but it's this big old pendant thing, and it's a whole lot more expensive than this. Now this is my first Fire Stick, so this is a little bit of a new experience, but hey, let's experience it together. So on the back we've got all kinds of promotional information about how great this thing is, and about how it has Alexa in it and all that good stuff. The side shows what's included, the other side is just more informational, promotional information. Cool, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm a little surprised. This is a lot of information for a little HDMI Fire Stick. Let's see, we got some information about the Fire Stick. This is probably the whole setup guide and how you attach everything. This is about the remote and more promotional information and Prime benefits and all that good stuff. This is a very long USB cord. Looks like the same charging USB cord for an Android device. So here we got the power brick right here. I was a little surprised when I was looking online that a streaming stick needs a power adapter, but that just proves that I've never had a Fire Stick before. Over here, this is the remote that they've been bragging about, the Alexa remote. Evidently, it has new volume control buttons that everyone's talking about, so we'll take a look at that. What do we have in here? Batteries. Not the most exciting thing, but hey, they're Amazon branded, so they're cool. I'm guessing this is the Fire Stick right here. Yes, sir, it is. And it's important. My question is, where do we attach the power adapter? There it is, question answered. So just a standard power adapter right there, standard HDMI input, all that good stuff. There's something else here. This isn't a huge problem because I'm never going to use this box again, but I don't know how they expect me to get this thing out without breaking the box. Alright, so you have to be very particular with it, and then it comes out, but I don't understand. What is this? That's probably what all this is for, to tell me about that. So according to the instructions, which turns out if you read them actually help you out, this is a dongle to help with your Wi-Fi and your remote performance. I don't think I'm gonna need this, but then again, I didn't even know what it was. Alright, now all that's left is just to get all the plastic off and pair this thing up. Look at that shiny plastic. So after plugging the Fire Stick in and using the included dongle,
I don't think I'm gonna need this.
I then began with the setup process. It's pretty similar to setting up just about anything. Put in your language, put in your Wi-Fi password, and then it does the rest. Although it does take a couple minutes for it to install everything that it needs to install. And I hope that this is just a one-time thing and not a daily basis recurring update. That would not be good. Once the updates are done, you then hear this magical sound. Then you get the privilege of watching a 3-minute infomercial about how great your new Fire Stick is. Essentially, it's telling you, don't worry about the $50 you just spent. You made a good choice. Hopefully. Now you get to the fun part, where you can choose which apps you want installed onto your Fire Stick. But be warned, these actually didn't install for me. I had to manually do them, which isn't that much work at all, but it would be nice if it was done automatically. Also be aware that Netflix will immediately ask you for $3 more per month to take advantage of that new 4K quality. And here's a quick sample of the 4K Fire Stick playing a 4K show on a 4K TV. And other than that, there's nothing else really to say. It is what it says it is. And if you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments. Until next time, this is Karsten Frisky, signing off. Alexa, skip ahead 5 minutes. Alexa, play Joy by King & Country.